Hello boys, trade recap of the 20th of July 2023. I'm sorry my OBS do some strange things sometimes, so I hope it will not happen today. Let's see. So I took a trade on EU, which happened perfectly. First of all, I saw on the DXY, we hopped into a weekly fair value gap and broke structure to the upside. So I'm bearish until we hit these fair value gaps in discount zone. Then I went into Euro GBP on H1. I entered the chart right here. I saw that price break structure to the downside, came back into this order block, and I thought the rejection would go into the discount zone. At the end, I was wrong. It hopped to target higher highs, but it was still okay. So since my bias was bearish on Euro GBP, I wanted to trade Euro USD because like weak pair compared to strong pair, so bearish on Euro USD. Uh, Euro USD, we extended and we broke structure on H4, so I expect the price to retrace into these zones. Okay, this is the problem with OBS. I don't know why it does this. So as I saw this morning, price came back into this order block. Wait. I wasn't here on the chart, so I couldn't take from this breakout structure right here, but price left, came back in, did the breakout structure right here, and so I entered right from the end of the fair value gap right here, which we tapped in perfectly with this candle. At the 1-to-1 ratio, I put 50% off and I put my stop to break even. The problem was that price came back to where my entry point, and so it stopped me out. I still made 0.5%, but I'm not happy because like I could have been taking all my take profits on this. So the lesson I will try for the next days is when it tap my first take profit, I will not put my stop to break even. Maybe just lower it a little bit, like maybe like this, but not put it to break even because like if I have the right bias, then I should hit more take profits, which is the perfect example right here. But yeah, I'm still happy for one day I had a good bias in mind. And I saw that I could have done a better entry, like but it was on the M1 right here. Um, like on this breakout structure right here, I could have entered right from this early gap. Like for example, if I do this, I put the same stop as this, and then targeting everywhere. So this could have been a killer trade, but I didn't saw it, and I've waited for the 5 minute one. But pretty good trade. I'm happy with that. I didn't make the money I wanted to because I put my stop to break even and price came back. But for the next days, I will not move my stop loss when we hit my first take profit. Of course, it depends on the situation, but I see. And then, yeah, first day having the right daily bias, pretty happy. And that's it. Tell me if you guys need want to give me any advice. See ya.